What's up, guys? It's Johnny Valentine coming at you with another video. This one is about my beloved tractor here. So I'm not really a tractor man, and you guys that are like serious tractor dudes are probably going to just totally be dismissive. But this is the first grease gun I bought for my tractor. I thought it would be good because it's like little, and I thought maybe I could get into tighter spots. I'm not going to go over the dynamics of like how to keep this thing under pressure and keep the grease flowing. That's for another video or possibly somebody else's video. What I want to talk about is this irritating little doohickey right here. So the way that I've seen guys do it is kind of use a rag or get it all over their hands, but you're basically opening and closing this valve or this little barrel. And when you open it up, you can get it onto the Zerk fitting, and then when you tighten it down, you can't pull it off. So every time you put it on, you gotta kind of twist it open and close it. I hate doing this part. I was just like, from the very get-go, the first time I greased my tractor, I'm like, there's gotta be a better way. So this is the Locknlube. I don't know if you can read that. Might be backwards on there. But this thing is awesome. I've used it probably 4 or 5 times now, and you can see what it does. So this is it. This is the Locknlube. I actually bought this off of Facebook Marketplace. It's just got this little spring-loaded mechanism that comes out, and it grabs onto whatever the Zerk fitting. I think it's called a Zerk fitting, the grease fitting. And like I said, I'm not a tractor man. This has made things infinitely easier. I'll just show you real quick. I just got done greasing my machine, but I'll show you real quick how it works. And I highly recommend this thing. It's the Locknlube. I'm not being paid by Locknlube. I just want to pass on what I've learned. It's made in South Africa. That's the one you want. And I don't think it wasn't that expensive. So here it is right here, and you can see it just, if you want to look at the action of how it works, it just sticks itself out, goes right onto the fitting, and then I'm going to tug. I can't get it off. It's on there. When I'm ready to pull it off, I don't have to touch the thing. I just pull it right off, and it just made things so much easier. My buddy has a couple more machines than I do, Engineer 775, and he's also got a battery powered grease gun. That thing seems to really speed things up. But this little Locknlube attachment has been awesome. You just take off the whatever's on there. You take the regular fitting off, and you put this on, and man, it's been awesome. So highly recommend it. I've used it. It works. I'm not going to go into crazy detail other than to tell you that if you're struggling, this can really save you some time and irritation. This is Johnny Valentine with Gain Solar. Thanks for watching. This is an off solar topic video, but I hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe. Hope it helps. I may title this video in a series of The Struggle is Real videos, because you know it's tough when you got your tractor and your grease gun. I mean, the struggle's real, folks. Just because you got a nice tractor, just more stuff to take care of. No, I'm kidding. I love my tractor, and I'm super thankful for it. It's been an awesome thing to have. Anybody who's been thinking about getting a tractor, and if you can make it work somehow and afford it, highly recommend it. It'll change your life. Johnny Valentine, Grease Gun Therapy.